What's up, y'all? This your boy Tennis back with another video. And today, man, the video is gonna be a follow-up on my nightstick that I put on my Shockwave. And a lot of y'all been asking me about it, and so I thought I'd do a follow-up with it. Well, I didn't finish the video, I corrected. I said I was gonna come back, and I didn't. It's been probably a few months to a year since I did this video. All right, first off, the gun is clear. You know, I just got my shells on there, the saddle. But the gun is clear. But and a lot of y'all in my comments talking about the tactical rail, and you know, you really don't need it, but I like the way it looks, so that's why I bought it. You know what I'm saying? You can see it's months later, and I haven't added anything to it. It's for looks. I like the way it look, man. It look real tactical. Now the nightstick, on the other hand, I wanted the light. Not so much the green dot, because it really don't matter with the green dot, because wherever you aim with this shotgun, that's where it's gonna go pretty much. So so what I did on the nightstick, I filed it down. Well, I cut it. Really, I cut it. I cut it down to right where the light's at. And then I sanded it down to make it smooth. But that's what I did, and it allows you to, you know, go all the way up to the rail. Cause if I wouldn't have cut it, it was probably about that much on the light itself. So if you're gonna run the H tactical rail, you're gonna have to cut the light. You're gonna have to cut the light down. You gotta cut the nightstick down to the light, you know, to file it down, whatever, in order for you to run this tactical rail. And that's what I did. But yeah, and that's what how she came out. And like I said, it was just a little quick video because I know a lot of people were asking me about it, and I said I was gonna make their review. And I got some more guns that I got to the I got some more guns now, so I might bring another gun out and show y'all that also. But while I'm out here. But yeah, man, that's the way it looked. And that's what I did. Just file it down to the light. Yeah, you'll be good. Yes, sir. All right. That was just a quick follow-up video for y'all. Appreciate it. So look, y'all, another thing too. If y'all get this tactical rail, it's got a spike that go on the end of it. Don't put it on there, because you're gonna lose it. Because as soon as you shoot your first shot, that spike is gone. Well, at least mine did. So if you get this H tactical rail come with the spike, you might not want to put the spike on there. All right.